दिला. वागिवोन पावलू कोलोस्करांक बरोवन तांची काळजां दिनवासेन बरोवन देवाची वाखणी करून उलोवप मारता.
कोलोस्कराचे चिटी बेगीन वाचप. तुमी देवान विंचून काडलेली
अंतरा मुखार आपलो लोग्नीक करा स्थापलो. सुखान तशें दुखान एकामेकाक विस्वासी रावतली म्हूण ताणें भास दिली.
म्युझिक न्हू इतले बरें दिसतालें स्टॉप करूंक दिसनासलें. पूण कितें आहा न्हू ते आमगे भांगाराची व्हंकल न्हवऱ्याक प्रॉब्लेम इन त्या मोबिलिटी तांकां मातशे त्रास जातात आनी कित्याक न्हू कित्याक 50 वर्सां ती बराबर तांची. एकदां न्हू सोंपली आमी मोठ्यान ताळयो मारया तांकां. When I had started उगडा सहा राग येलो आणि गेलो. And I feel this is something that the young couples should know, that our fights, our anger is for that moment. It gets over after that. But lifelong 50 वर्सां बराबर उरता तो मोग. तुमचेर सदांच देवान आशीर्वाद घालचो. तांची तुस्त करता तांकां बरें मागता. आयचे दिसा आमचे मदें आसा someone who will call him the brain box. आनी he's a YouTube sensation. कित्याक खंयच कसलो इश्यू जालो जाल्यार you will see him going up first and विशेद मारपाक. He is a social worker and an activist. Please help me welcome Mr. Anthony De Silva. सोकलेनी मोठ्यान ताळयो मारून ताका येवकार दिवचे.
सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं. नंबर 1 आतां लेट मी स्टार्ट हांव कोंकणी आनी इंग्लीश दोनी मिक्स करता म्हणटा हांव. खातीर देवा गाडकां दिवया आमी. कित्याक भाग सगळ्या मेळना. एवरीबडी इज नॉट ब्लेस्ड और लकी यू से. सो वेल पूण एवरीथींग आय हॅव टू कॅप्सुलायज एक 10 मिनटां भितर बिकॉज so boring job. I'll start with a quiz. Let this toast be very interactive. Family members must not say. Anybody knows Pepin's name?
Joking Santa.
Oh my God, great. That's friendship and multi machine connectivity. Joking Santa. And so lucky. Pepinage Munia now is Santa. Marriage, I may not be the perfect person to say, but yeah, clearly, Babargil and Multivashi. Kazar, Jivit, Lam, Ospak, Saiti Karan Astai. One of the component is they say marriage is falling in love with the same person again and again. And Pepin, how they got the machine? I don't think so. Agus bayan taka sangla de machine. Kazara jivitan mog ani raag ugda suy hotta. Mog ugda surpa zayo. Un raag ami air pochnu hode visubat. मुगे काजराक मुगेले हेडमास्टर इस्कलाचो मंदिगिरी फादर जॉयल पिंटो म्हूण टोस्ट मास्टर लागलो आनी टुडे आय रिकलेक्ट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेडिंग डे आनी तेणे म्हाका एडवायस दिलो त्या काजराक एंड इट वॉज इन टेनी हॉल इन असोलना तो म्हणलो एंटनी एंड वायलेट आपूण एक रिक्वेस्ट करता कम बट मी सकाळी 7 उद्यान केस्तांव जाल जायत 7 पोस्ट होळे सी दॅट यू फॉरगेट अबाउट दॅट फायट never these are his words in toto quote unquote never go to sleep separately फाट कोण निंदाय एकमुगा no problem you have anger फाट कोण निंदाय but don't sleep separate any night फाट कोण निंदाय over a period of time before the sunrise one of you will touch each other and again you'll hold, and that is the charm and magic of a very happy married life. Pepino advice dupa munjan zaina because as a young boy in school am tej bare धावताले for artwork. I remember आमी एक t-shirt घालून भोंवताले आनी ते t-shirtaचे आमगे नांव घाताले and then now Galba Taipure Dhautala, he used to do that cut work very well. He is already famous. He has been a landmark in Ambeli Asalna. Koni Tharoti mak ketne mel jai tu hunche karache. They used to tell me one thing. I then Mulmundo Ambeli and tu Pepino or the Pepin. Tu ke gaur Pepina thing boda. Anybody's house in Ambeli, Pepin's house was the landmark, and that famous he was. Very difficult to remember and appreciate people once they become old. Munniya Mollo Fulsa hoy kon man bhagoi nahi, but how Pepino man bhagoi. It is not because he was an artist only. कोणाची रे कांतार म्हणपा जाय तो he was the number one. आमच्या गांवांत तरी तर ते कोणाकूय एक एटीट्यूड ऑफ ग्रॅटिट्यूड दाखयला. It was Pepino. I remember football प्लेयरांचे त्या कांतार म्हणपा जायत शॉक आसलो आनी तेणे आमच्या गांवच्या भुरग्यांक हांव नांव घेना दिली कित्याक आय मे मिस आउट ऑन समबडी तेणे ते कांतार घडोवप आनी ते कांतार घडोवप. आय कॉल हिम अ हिस्टोरियन. जायत जाण नोका आसतले ही इज अ व्हेरी बीग हिस्टोरियन. तेगे घराको हांव एक दीस गेलो. वन डे वी हॅड अ रिसर्च पेपर टू बी डन on the tribes in Ambeli, the SC, ST community. And I was so surprised. Tule paper work so much paper work. And kitule aatle hos takwa hai. It's very difficult. Today the world is full of data. Sir, what I should be doing? Mami, just I had a break of 10 minutes on the Garako Galan, Mami, Daddy in Saro Lavalo, Sir, we buy and kick the laboratory. Engineering. I will tell her to study data. The future is only of data. And this Pepin had in him long ago. You could not even think of. Before I wind up, to also remember his both sons. Elvis, I know him also very well. Of course, we disconnected for some time. And Bronson, even last year, we interacted very closely along with their family members. These are precious moments. I think Elvis's family will have to freeze. These are frozen moments. At the same time, Augusta, एक आवय, एक भयण, एक गांवची, she has been a helping hand. Every time I take baila chayta, she bends herself and she works. Tudit katate, poi kata, ral katale. You know that she is always on the move. Pepin might have been a celebrity in this world, but August, she is a celebrity in heaven also. August has played a role of Mother Mary with Joseph. She was a silent worker. And I remember as a school child in Regina Matru High School, and her brother Santan has been my classmate. I think my kukla these two brothers, Temka August was more than a mother. And till today I see that, that a burning passion on them, Alessian and Santan. Today I feel very proud of these two brothers. This connectivity between two brothers and sisters, awesome. Very difficult to find. I remember 2 years back when she was not doing well, Santan was so upset. My Varna. Till today they respect her. Literally, maybe I will, if I speak for long, maybe it will get more emotional. More than a husband here, I will straight be talk, cut throat. Santan and Alessia, they love her to the heavens. I wish this love between brothers and sisters will always remain. And Santan and Alessia, I am really proud of you both, along with your family, of course. But August, I don't know, maybe she will not be in a position to understand the value she has given